In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in Rank Math. Breadcrumbs are those small, clickable paths that show visitors where they are on your site, something like home or blog article. They help users navigate quickly and can also give search engines extra context about your site structure, which is great for SEO. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and open Rank Math SEO. Inside Rank Math, go to General Settings, then select Breadcrumbs. Here you'll see an option to enable breadcrumbs. Turn that switch on. This activates the feature within Rank Math, but nothing will appear on your site until you place the breadcrumb display where you want it. The easiest way to place breadcrumbs is with a shortcode. Edit the page or post where you want the breadcrumb trail to appear. Think about where it makes the most sense for your readers. Typically near the top of the content, above the main heading, or just under a hero image. Now paste this shortcode exactly as shown, Rank Math breadcrumb. That's all you need. This shortcode tells Rank Math to render the breadcrumb trail right in that spot. If you're using the block editor, you can paste the shortcode into a shortcode block so it's easy to manage and move around. In classic editors or other builders, anywhere shortcodes are supported will work the same way. Once it's in place, save or update the page and preview it on the front end. You should see the breadcrumb path appear exactly where you placed the shortcode. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the breadcrumbs don't show up right away, double-check that you enabled them in Rank Math's breadcrumbs settings and that the shortcode is typed correctly. Clearing any caching, either from a caching plugin or your browser, can also help if you're not seeing changes after saving. And remember, the shortcode will only display in areas that support shortcodes, so stick to your page and post content or other shortcode-capable areas in your theme or builder. That's it. You enabled breadcrumbs in Rank Math, and you placed them with a simple shortcode so they appear exactly where you want. It's a quick change that improves navigation for your visitors and provides helpful structure for search engines. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, go ahead and add those breadcrumbs to your most important pages so your audience always knows where they are on your site.